Hello there, and in today's video we're going to be painting the XJ40 JaguarSport steering wheel, which I've had for quite a while, and eventually we'll be fitting it to my XJ40. So I'm using some Plasticoat vinyl coat type paint to basically paint the leather steering wheel, and just in that previous slide there you saw me actually just putting the can into some warm water just to get the paint nice and ready to apply. Before actually applying the paint, the first thing to do is to give the steering wheel a thorough clean, and to do this I'm actually using some sugar soap wipes. Sugar soap wipes are slightly abrasive, and they do actually have this really good ability to get some of the ingrained dirt out of the leather material on the steering wheel. The steering wheel itself was from a JaguarSport model, I'm not sure what year, but they fitted this particular wheel on the original 3.6 litre XJ40 XJR model, and also on the revised 4 litre model up until the airbag model came in. What I've done here is I've actually removed the central pad from the steering wheel. The steering wheel incidentally itself is actually manufactured by Momo, and style is actually used by a number of different manufacturers, but Jaguar have actually got an individual central pad with the JaguarSport logo rather nicely embossed. With the spraying, obviously once I've masked off the relevant areas, I actually sort of start with the front of the wheel. I wait for an hour for the wheel to dry. I then go to flip the wheel over to do the reverse of the wheel, wait for another hour for that to dry, then do the top and the bottom, obviously waiting for an hour in between. The finish itself that I've gone for is a matte finish, so it's not going to be sort of too shiny or anything. Once it's actually sort of all done, I did actually go for another second coat just to sort of give it a bit of extra protection. And what I will be doing once this is all done is just basically giving it a bit of a polish, just to remove some of the sort of slightly abrasive feeling of the paint, but also just to sort of give it a sort of natural shiny look. The original leather itself would have actually been dyed, but obviously because I don't have facilities to dye leather, this is the next best thing that I can actually do, just to sort of bring back some of that original factory fresh or aftermarket factory fresh feel to the steering wheel. These actual wheels, because they did come from a number of were made, produced and used by a number of different manufacturers, do actually have that removable boss in the centre there. So if you were so inclined, you could actually remove that boss, fit a suitable boss, and actually use it on your own individual car. It doesn't have to go onto an XJ40. It just happens that this particular boss is for the XJ40. And in the next video we're actually going to be removing the steering wheel that's currently on the XJ40 and fitting this one. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like for further upcoming fascinating hobbies.